Today's opening statements have ended in the trial of the two police officers charged in the 2019 death of Elijah McClain.
That 23-year-old was detained by police and paramedics while walking home from a convenience store. After being injured with a powerful sedative, he lapsed into cardiac arrest and died 3 days later in a hospital. Denver 7's Rob Harris is joining us now from outside the Adams County Courthouse in Brighton.
Rob, a slow start to today's proceedings.
Yeah, Shannon, the opening statements were delayed by several hours. To give you some perspective, the potential jurors in this case arrived around 8:30 in the morning. The selected jurors weren't sworn in until about 2:30 in the afternoon, and then we didn't hear the opening statements until about 3 o'clock. Our understanding is that the prosecution had objected to several potential jurors, some for apparently having law enforcement ties in their family, and others for the answers they gave on their jury questionnaire that could have shown, according to the prosecution, a law enforcement bias. But the selected jurors now have heard the opening statements, and they have to decide in this case if officers used excessive force and violated policy when they responded, and if their actions led to Elijah McClain's death. Prosecutors argued that McClain did nothing wrong that night and that officers restricted his ability to breathe by restraining him and putting him in a carotid hold.
When Elijah is on the ground, handcuffed behind his back, he is saying over and over and over again, I can't breathe. Please help me. I can't fix myself. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. 7 times, I can't breathe.
Defense attorneys opened up their opening statements by saying that McClain's death was a tragedy, but that officers responded reasonably since they were dispatched to a person who was described as suspicious. They also argued that it was the sedative used by Aurora Fire and Rescue that killed him.
After being injected with ketamine, that's when Mr. McClain's pulse stopped. In sum, Mr. McClain died because paramedic Cooper injected him with 1.7 to 1.8 times the ketamine for someone his weight and size.
Now, after the opening statements concluded today, the judge instructed the jury in this case to not talk about the case with anyone, to not read about it, not consume any media related to it, and to return here tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. so they can begin hearing evidence in this case. Shannon.
All right, Rob, thank you very much. This community, this whole country watching this so closely. We appreciate your reporting on that. And looking closer at this, the trial of Rodema and Rosenblatt here, just the first of several stemming from the death of Elijah McClain. Former Aurora officer Nathan Woodyard scheduled to go on trial next. He was the first officer on the scene and is facing similar charges to Rodema and Rosenblatt for his use of that carotid hold, which cuts blood supply to the brain. Woodyard's trial is set for next month. And then 2 paramedics who administered that lethal dose of ketamine also facing charges. Their trial starts scheduled for later this year. All these men have pleaded not guilty, and we will continue to follow this trial, bring you any and all developments. Also, for the latest updates and past coverage dating back to 2019, go to our website, denver7.com.